Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should start by creating a Kaggle account and verifying your email so you can access courses and assessments immediately. Next, install Python 3, 8 or newer and pip, then create a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Open Jupyter or Colab and run a quick NumPy and Pandas example to confirm your setup works. Once done, enroll in the Kaggle Python course and save the course notebooks to your workspace so you can follow along step by step. You now focus on the meat. Complete each Kaggle Python lesson and immediately do the attached exercises so theory sticks. Practice by building 3 to 5 small notebooks that cover data cleaning, basic plotting, writing functions, and simple model logic. Repetition improves recall. Make sure to read kernel examples and post questions in forums when you hit snags, because community answers speed learning. Once comfortable, time yourself on review notebooks to simulate assessment pace and solidify. You're ready to take the Kaggle assessment. Choose a quiet 30 to 45-minute block, open the assessment, and work steadily through each question without rushing. After submitting, review any immediate feedback, and when you pass, download or save the certificate to your profile and LinkedIn. If things go wrong, browser crashes, kernels hang, restart the notebook kernel, clear browser cache, or switch to Colab. These simple fixes resolve most environment problems so you can retry quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.